How to connect your laptop, mobile phone, and tablet to the internet. Columbus State University provides free Wi-Fi on our wireless network named Cougar Wave Open. Choose Cougar Wave Open from your list of visible wireless networks. The first time you attempt to surf the web, you will be redirected to a login page. If you do not get redirected, simply go to devicereg.columbusstate.edu. On the welcome screen, select Users who already have a CSU account if you are a current student. At this login page, enter your MyCSU username and password. On the following page, click the button Click here to register this device. If you would like to register a different device, click the button labeled Register another device and fill in the requested information. You should now be able to access the internet on any of your registered devices. If you need any additional assistance, please contact the CSU Help Desk at 706-507-8199 or email at helpdesk@columbusstate.edu.